As we grow older, our bodies need different things to stay strong, energetic, and healthy. But with all the nutrition advice out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about creating healthy, delicious, and practical meal plans for seniors. We'll go meal by meal, tip by tip, explaining not just what to eat, but why it matters. Whether you're a senior yourself, a caregiver, or a concerned family member, this guide will give you the tools to support wellness through nutrition. As we age, the body's metabolism naturally slows down, leading to a decreased need for calories, but not for essential nutrients. In fact, seniors often require more of certain nutrients to maintain muscle, bone strength, and immune function. Protein is crucial to prevent muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, which can lead to frailty and falls. Seniors should aim for at least 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Good sources include eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, legumes, and Greek yogurt. Calcium and vitamin D play a vital role in maintaining bone density and preventing fractures. Vitamin D also enhances the absorption of calcium and supports immune health. Fiber is essential to regulate digestion, manage cholesterol, and stabilize blood sugar, helpful for those with diabetes or constipation. B12 is a key vitamin for cognitive health and red blood cell formation. Aging often leads to decreased absorption, so fortified cereals or supplements may be necessary. Iron supports energy and oxygen transport in the blood, but many older adults, especially women, don't get enough. Potassium helps lower blood pressure and keeps muscles and nerves working properly. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA found in fatty fish, support heart and brain health. Finally, water is vital. Older adults often have a reduced sense of thirst, so staying hydrated, about 6 to 8 cups of fluids per day, is essential to prevent fatigue, confusion, and constipation. A consistent and balanced daily meal structure helps regulate energy, mood, and digestion in elderly individuals. Starting the day with a nutritious breakfast is key to fueling the body and promoting regular bowel movements. An ideal breakfast might include whole-grain oatmeal topped with flax seeds and fresh berries, offering a combination of soluble fiber and antioxidants. Alternatively, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole-grain toast provide protein, iron, and complex carbs. For those who prefer a drinkable meal, a smoothie made with Greek yogurt, banana, spinach, and chia seeds is rich in protein, potassium, and fiber. A mid-morning snack keeps blood sugar levels steady and prevents fatigue before lunch. This can be something simple, like apple slices with peanut butter, which offer fiber and healthy fats, or low-fat cheese with whole wheat crackers for protein and complex carbs. Lunch should be the largest and most nutrient-dense meal of the day. A balanced lunch could be grilled chicken served with quinoa and roasted vegetables, providing lean protein, complete plant-based carbs, and plenty of fiber. A tuna salad sandwich paired with lentil soup is another great option. In the afternoon, a small snack helps avoid the typical energy dip. Yogurt topped with chopped walnuts offers probiotics and healthy fats, while hummus with cucumber sticks adds fiber and plant-based protein. Dinner should be lighter and easier to digest. Baked salmon with mashed sweet potatoes and sautéed greens is a great option that provides omega-3s, vitamins A and C, and potassium. A vegetable stew with soft beans and barley is also warm, filling, and rich in fiber and plant-based protein. An optional evening snack can help prevent nighttime hunger and improve sleep. Warm milk with cinnamon soothes the body, while a few whole grain crackers with almond butter add a small dose of protein and healthy fat. Remember, each meal and snack should ideally include protein, fiber, and a healthy fat source while minimizing processed sugars and sodium. Let's explore a 3-day meal plan, breaking down not just what to eat, but why each food is included. Day 1. Breakfast includes oatmeal topped with flaxseed, blueberries, and a spoon of almond butter. Flaxseed provides omega-3 fatty acids and fiber for heart health and digestion. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which support brain function. Almond butter adds healthy fats and plant-based protein to keep you full. For lunch, grilled salmon is paired with quinoa and steamed green beans. Salmon is rich in EPA and DHA, essential omega-3s that support heart and cognitive health. Quinoa is a complete protein and contains fiber and magnesium. Green beans are a gentle vegetable, easy to digest, and full of vitamins A, C, and K. Dinner includes mashed sweet potatoes, sautéed kale, and a side of cottage cheese. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene and easy to chew. Kale offers iron and calcium, while cottage cheese provides soft, high-protein nourishment with calcium. For bones, snacks throughout the day could be pear slices with cheese for fiber and protein, and Greek yogurt with cinnamon for probiotics and blood sugar balance. Day 2. The day starts with scrambled eggs cooked with diced tomatoes and herbs, served alongside whole-grain toast. Eggs are a great source of choline, which supports memory. Tomatoes offer lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, while whole-grain toast gives sustained energy. Lunch is a hearty lentil stew served with brown rice and steamed carrots. Lentils are rich in fiber, iron, and protein. Brown rice offers slow-digesting carbohydrates, and carrots provide beta-carotene and support eye health. Dinner features turkey meatballs over zucchini noodles with homemade tomato sauce. Turkey is a lean protein source that's easy to digest. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, are low in carbs and high in vitamin C, while the tomato sauce adds more lycopene. Snacks might include a banana with peanut butter for potassium and protein, and a small serving of unsalted mixed nuts for heart-healthy fats and minerals. Day 3. Start with a smoothie made from Greek yogurt, banana, spinach, and flaxseed. This nutrient-dense combo includes probiotics, potassium, fiber, iron, and healthy omega-3s. Lunch could be a chicken and avocado wrap with shredded lettuce and tomato. The avocado provides healthy fats and potassium, while chicken adds lean protein, and the wrap offers complex carbs for steady energy. Dinner features baked cod served with mashed cauliflower and steamed peas. Cod is a light protein that's low in fat. Cauliflower provides fiber and vitamin C, while peas add gentle sweetness and more fiber. Snacks could include cottage cheese, with pineapple for calcium and digestive enzymes, and a cup of herbal tea with whole grain crackers for relaxation and fiber. Meal prepping makes it easier for seniors or caregivers to provide nutritious meals daily without added stress. Cooking grains like brown rice or quinoa and proteins like chicken or beans in bulk helps save time and reduces daily workload. Keeping frozen fruits and vegetables on hand ensures year-round access to nutrient-rich options. They're often flash-frozen at peak ripeness, preserving their vitamins and minerals while being more affordable than fresh produce. Labeling pre-portioned meals with clear dates helps seniors with memory issues stay on track with nutrition and avoid food waste. Preparing soft-cooked vegetables like steamed carrots or mashed sweet potatoes makes meals easier to chew and digest. Storing healthy snacks like nuts, sliced fruits, or yogurt in clear containers within reach encourages smarter snacking choices. Slow cookers or pressure cookers can be excellent tools for seniors. They make one-pot dishes like stews, bean soups, or casseroles that are nutritious, easy to portion, and easy to eat. Many elderly individuals face challenges that make healthy eating difficult, but each has a practical solution. A reduced appetite can be addressed by adding herbs and spices to meals to increase flavor and aroma. Instead of 3 large meals, try offering smaller, more frequent meals that feel less overwhelming. For chewing problems caused by dental issues, choose soft foods like mashed vegetables, ripe fruits, soups, and smoothies, while avoiding hard meats or raw vegetables. Constipation is another common issue and can be improved by gradually increasing both fiber and fluid intake. Adding fruits like prunes, vegetables like spinach, and whole grains, while drinking more water throughout the day. For memory loss or forgetfulness, use consistent meal times and visual cues, like leaving reminders or labeled meals in the fridge. Budget concerns can also limit food choices, but affordable and nutritious staples like canned fish, dried beans, frozen vegetables, eggs, oats, and peanut butter offer great nutritional value without breaking the bank. Eating well in older age isn't just about staying alive, it's about thriving with strength, clarity, and independence. With thoughtful planning and a few simple strategies, seniors can enjoy meals that are delicious, affordable, and tailored to support their health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Nourishing the body is one of the most powerful ways we show love, both to ourselves and to others.